Hello traders, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having a great week ahead. So today we're going to dive in our market analysis for this week. So as you can see, I currently have analysis on this pair USD JPY. I have a trend line. I have my support and resistance, everything placed in target. So I'm gonna remove all the drawing tools so we can start from scratch, so we can know exactly my take and analysis on this pair. I always try to bring you quality content on this channel so we can get a heads up of the market insight, so we can be looking of the kind of trade opportunity ahead of the week. So our first pair, we're going to be making analysis on the USD JPY. The UJ have been moving massive since last week. The first time for quite a long time, I see we have a massive drop of more than 300 to 400 pips just on a single day. It was massive move because of the news last week. The market trying to bring the US economy trying to make some recession. There was a lot of news in the market throughout the week. So many things which caused the impact of this move. So guys, we need to be aware of the strength of the USD because of the current economic situation. Everybody's saving their investment on the US dollar because it's the most valuable pairs right now. We see the euro, the pounds, everything got the value. As by today, I'm making this video. If you woke up, you saw the market, the pounds dropped more than 500 pips last night. So I'm talking about the close and the open of the market during the weekend. So guys, let's dive into this pair. Let me tell you my analysis for the pair so we can know what we can be doing. All right, so how we do analysis on this channel. The first thing, we want to know the direction. We want to know what the market is saying to us. We don't want to be doing things in our opinion, in our feeling. We don't want to be doing things of how we're thinking about the feeling of the market, because remember, the market don't cares about your feeling. So that's the first thing. So I always use to advise traders to trade what you see, not what you think. This is the kind of advice I'm going to give before I go into the analysis. If you're a trader out there, I don't want you to just be looking at the market based on your feeling, on based on what you're thinking. You understand? So you need to be trading what the market is saying to you. You need to be looking at what the market, despite the news, despite what is going around the market, you need to be looking at the direction of the market. If the market says you should buy, you should buy. If the market says you should sell, you should sell. Remember, the trend is your friend. We don't want to be doing anything opposite direction. So as I spoke a few minutes ago about the news in the market, if you go through all the pairs before the news came up, there was a clear direction. This was going to happen. I used to tell traders, if you combine technical and fundamental in your trading, you know that everything going to be in line with your analysis. So just trading direction before the news will come out, you have a clear direction of what is happening. So guys, don't forget to always check your economic calendar to know what is happening as well before you enter in any trade, especially this week, before this month end. Don't be surprised, you're going to be seeing another massive move this week. As I say, the US trying to do some recession, but they don't want to bring it out clearly. They're just trying to increase interest rates, trying to cut down things a little bit. So yeah, that is my advice for trader. So guys, let's go into our analysis of this pair. Remember how we do analysis on this channel. The first, we want to see the direction of the trade. We want to see what the market is saying to you. Remember, in the uptrend, the market will be making higher high and higher low. So here's going to be our support. It's going to be our resistance. So no matter what this market will be doing here, in this level, we're going to be seeing we call it inside trend. So no matter what you're going to be seeing, remember, here is still your support level unless this level is broken. If the level is not broken, we are still in an uptrend. So then what happened again? We're going to be looking for another move to the upside. So this exact move that happened here, that is what happened last week on all the pairs. So if you're the kind of trader be thinking, oh no, yeah, we're in the downtrend, let me start selling here, you're going to be caught by the market and then you're going to see a big spike. So guys, you need to be aware of such mistake as well. Remember, I said earlier on, trade what you see, not what you think. You trade in direction with the trend. Remember, the trend is your friend until it says it's over. All right, guys, so let's move again. So automatically going to be a new resistance, it's going to be a new support. We're going to get another pullback here. We'll get another move to the upside. So this is how we make our analysis for an uptrend. This is how we analyze our chart. Not too complicated. We don't look for something superior. We don't trade something out of our zone. This is our strategy. This is what I've been working for years, and it's been bringing profit on the table. So same thing again, a downtrend. When the market is in a downtrend, the market will be making lower highs and lower lows. So it's going to be our support, it's going to be our resistance. So where we are looking for opportunities, we are looking for opportunity in this zone. You understand? Unless this level is broken before we're in the uptrend. So let's say the level is broken, now we see another move to the downside. So automatically this is our next area of value. This is going to be our next point as well. So when the market keep on making this consolidation phase, don't get confused, because this is where people make mistake. People be saying, oh no, the trend want to trend. No, we are still in a downtrend because this is our level of not yet broken. So unless this level is broken before we have a change of direction, so we're going to see some move to the downside as well. Then we have our continuation, automatically going to be our new resistance, it's going to be our new support. So guys, this is how we make our analysis on this trade. If you are new to the channel, please check the previous video. I have a video that explains exactly how to trade with the trend, how to analyze the Forex market. This is the best way. This is the way so many traders analyze the financial market, and it's a way for you to get a clear direction of what they are doing, because if you don't know where you're supposed to be buying or where you're supposed to be selling, then definitely you don't know what they are going to be doing in the market. So that is the first question as a trader. When you look at the charts, the first you want to know the trend direction. The reason being you want to know where you're supposed to be buying, where you're supposed to be selling. Okay guys, so that is all right by the trends. I'm going to remove all the drawing tools as well. Then let's dive into this chart. Let's see what this USD is bringing on the table. So remember how we make our analysis a few minutes ago for the trend. So I would do a few market analysis for this pair. So as you can see here, the USD we came here, give us another bounce back to this our previous resistance here. Here was our support. Then you see we have a massive move to the upside. So guys, I didn't really look at this pip. The move was about 300 pips. That was a massive move. So I saw so many traders selling this area. Remember what I was saying about the trend inside trend? So many people were selling here, and then they were saying, oh no, we're in a downtrend. Guys, remember, we are not in a downtrend. Why? Because this our level have not yet broken. Here is our resistance. Here is our support. You see, when the market come close to our resistance, we see another push to the upside, and then we see another move again. So if you're a trader, you know that this is a double bottom continuation with the trend. I have a video on this as well on the channel. So when you see this move, you know what you're supposed to be doing. Then you see when the market come right back to this our resistance zone, we see the massive move to the upside. Because why? The market is still in direction with the trend. So that nothing have changed yet. So what happened? They go kind of pull back again into this previous level, and then they keep them consolidating from here. Remember, we were still in the uptrend because why? This our level below was not broken. So then we see another massive move to the upside. So automatically, here was our new support. Here was our new resistance. So and then when the news came up, we have a massive break below the level. So this is how we automatically know we are now in a downtrend. So guys, if that was too fast, please try to go through the video, try to do a replay, try to rewrite it so you can get a clear understanding of what I'm saying. So automatically the trend have changed from uptrend to downtrend. So now what we're supposed to be doing on this pair? Now we only want to be selling. I think this move happened on Friday or so. We only want to be selling, or we're looking for selling opportunity. So remember, the trend is your friend. Trade what you see, not what you think. So as you can see, price came right back into this our level. I'm using a red drawing tool to get what I'm saying. So yeah is my level, unless the market break below, above this level before we're in the uptrend. So as you can see, price is still in this level. We have not gotten any break above this previous level. We can see this market consolidating into this zone, and then unless it break above this level before we're in the uptrend. So we can see price moving down to the downside, approximately maybe back to this previous level. So now if you want to be selling this pair, you need to use the proper risk management tools. There are so many ways you can combine your fee retracement. As you can see, the price is currently in our 6.18 level. So we put a fib on this chart. As you can see, price is this our zone. So you can combine that with your candlestick confirmation, so you can know what you're supposed to be doing in the market. So you can see price calling into this fib level, the 0.61 zone. So we'll be looking for kind of candlestick patterns, something that are going to be giving us reason to be selling this pair, so we can be selling the USD So guys, this is my number one pair I'm looking for this week. I'm looking for you. Remember, guys, if you're selling, also keep in mind the US dollar is getting strength in market. It's one of the strongest currency right now because of what is happening around the world. So you need to take note of that as well. So if I'm selling this market, I'm not going to hold this trade for long. I'm going to be looking at around 50 to 100 pips. Always I don't try to hold the trade for a long time because I'm a day trader. I'm not investors. I'm in the market to make money, take my profit off the table. If I see a good trade opportunity as well, I can hold on to the trade for a very, very long time. So guys, that is my take on the USD JPY. Wait for our candlestick confirmation, and then we try to go short on this pair. So that is my number one pair for this week. So take note again, if the price break above this level, automatically the trend have changed from downtrend to uptrend. So currently we have a sell bias on this pair. So unless this market break above this area before we are in the downtrend. So once we get a pullback here, we see another move to the upside. If that happen, remember we have not gotten any break above that area of level. So unless we see something like that, then we can start going long as well. So, okay, guys. So now let's switch to our next pair. We're going to be looking at the GBP pair. Remember, I told you there was a massive move down to the downside. I don't know what happened overnight. I was sleeping. I woke up. I looked at the market. I saw a massive move to the downside. So as you can see, this is the USD, GBP USD. You know, this was a massive move overnight. Price is in the massive downtrend. So guys, remember what to say. The USD is getting stronger and stronger these days because of the economic situation around. They keep on adding interest rates. They keep on trying to maintain the economy to the top. So they don't want to take any chance as well. So as you can see, we have this massive move to the downside from our trend analysis. So guys, if you want to be buying, you know, let me just make a few explanations on this pair. You know, I see so many new traders. They'll be saying, oh my God, this pair have been going down for a very long period of time. They'll be saying, oh no, it's time to buy, it's time to buy. Guys, we don't just want to be jumping, buying around this area. No, we don't want to be doing these kind of things, yeah? We don't want to just come into the market, hey, because the pair have been coming down for a very long period of time. No, we want to be seeing some kind of reversal pattern. You want to be seeing your double bottom. You want to be seeing your head and shoulder. You want to be seeing something that's going to be telling you the market has reversed. You want to see a break of a previous level. So in this case, what I normally do, I will go down to my 30-minute time frame or my 50-minute time frame. I don't go more than that. Okay, so if you want to spot some reversal pattern in this kind of situation, you come below your 30 and your 50-minute time frame. So now what I want to be looking for if I come below this time frame, I don't just want to be buying on this kind of pair because I've been seeing a massive move to the downside over 300 to 400 pips. No, I want to be seeing a reversal pattern. So as you can see, here was our previous area of value. Okay, so now if I want to be buying this pair, is either I'll get a double bottom, which is a chart pattern, which will make me to be going long on this pair. If I cannot get the chart pattern, I want to see price break above this previous level. I want to see a break and close, and then I'll be waiting for the pullback to go long. So guys, don't be in a hurry to be buying this pair. And as well, we can see another continuation to the downside. As you can see, we have a very strong selling pressure. So you can get a pullback, you can still get a break below this area of value. Oh yes, it's possible because there's a lot of selling pressure in the market. So once you get a break, you'll be looking here for the pullback, or maybe when the break below come, look at another break above this previous level, and then we wait for the pullback again, we start to go long. So guys, if you are trading this GBP USD, this might take on it. If you want to go long, take your time, wait for a reversal pattern, wait for something that's going to be telling you to buy. Don't just rush, hurry into your trade. Don't get screwed by the market. All right. So now let's go to our next pair. You know, the GBP US and Euro USD, they are correlated, I would say 80 to 90%. So they move in the same direction. So if you are trading GBP USD, don't be trading the Euro USD as well because they are correlated. So I'm on a 15-minute time frame. See, as you can know, my time frame is the 1 hour time frame. So I dropped down to the 15-minute time frame to look for a reversal pattern, which I was explaining earlier on. Okay, guys. So now let's go back into the analysis for this Euro USD. As you can see, I told you it's correlated 80 to 90% between the GBP USD. As you can see, as well, it's in a massive downtrend, a very massive selling pressure as well. So remember, we don't just want to be buying because on our feeling, oh no, this market has come down for a very long time, I want to start buying. No, we want to see a reversal pattern. Okay, so as you can see, the price maker first, the second one, I want to see a double bottom. So once I get my double bottom, I'm going to go long. Or the same thing I explained earlier on in the GBP USD, I'll switch down to my 15-minute time frame. I'll be looking for a type of reversal pattern. Let me remove the drawing tool so you can get exactly what I'm trying to explain. So as you can see on the 15-minute time frame, we can see this price is in the downtrend. Yeah, as you can see here, we got this move, we got a pullback here, and then we see price here. So it's two things. I'll be waiting for price to break below this previous level on the 15-minute time frame, and I wait for a pullback, and then the candlestick confirmation. So if you get a pullback here, it's a clear pattern. Okay, it's gonna be my head, it's gonna be my left and my right shoulder. So has this happened? No, it has not yet happened. I'm just trying to explain if the price break below this, above this area. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. But as you can see, price have not done anything significant in that area. So we are still on sell bias on this pair. We are still going to be selling unless we see a break and close above the previous level. So we want to keep it simple, guys. We don't want to complicate anything. So wait for price again, the same analysis. As you can see, price pull back, another move to the downside. We got a pullback, another move here. So now we'll be looking for a reversal pattern as well. Once we get this reversal pattern, and then we see price to the upside. So guys, that is my two key pairs. I'm looking at the GBP USD, the Euro USD, and the USD JPY. Remember, these three pairs, they are almost correlated. So I'm going to be looking for something significant. I'm going to be looking for a strong reversal or a continuation to the upside. So guys, these are my three pairs I'm looking at this week. I always trade major pairs. I don't try to complicate things. I don't trade anything that's going to give me headaches. I just try to keep my chat clean and simple. So if you have any question, please comment below in the comment chat. Or if you have any question, try to send me an email. I'm going to respond step by step. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, especially my new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. I'm going to be dropping a new video as well about my prop trade I'm trading. If you're looking for a prop trade, if you're looking for a way to get more capital in the forex market, how you can get investors, how you can get people to invest in your trading, how you can get a lot of capital from traders around the world. So I have this prop firm I'm going to be sharing with you guys that I'm trading with. So I'm going to be sharing my experience. I'm going to be sharing them with you. So stay tuned on the channel for more video coming out. Thank you again to my new subscribers. Thank you to the old subscribers. Please share and like the video. I wish you a happy and a blessed trading throughout this week.